Mailchimp versus Constant Contact. Which one should you choose? This is a crucial decision for anyone trying to grow their email marketing efforts, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced marketer. In this video, we're diving into a comparison of these two giants in the email marketing space to help you decide which one fits your business needs best. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which platform gives you the most value. Now, if you're thinking about diving in, you can actually use both Mailchimp and Constant Contact for free right now. Just check the first link in the description below for exclusive access to extended free trials and bonuses. Let's get right into the comparison, and I'll show you what sets them apart. First up, let's talk about user interface and ease of use. When it comes to getting started, Mailchimp offers a relatively straightforward experience. The drag-and-drop builder is intuitive, and the dashboard is clean, making it easy to navigate. However, some users mention the learning curve can feel a little steep if you're completely new to email marketing. On the other hand, Constant Contact is generally considered the more beginner-friendly platform. Its layout is simple, and it walks you through the whole process step by step, making it a great choice for those who prefer something less complicated. Next thing, we've got email templates. Mailchimp shines with its variety of free and paid templates. They offer a wide selection that's perfect for different industries and campaigns, which makes setting up professional-looking emails a breeze. Constant Contact doesn't have quite as many templates, but the ones they do offer are still polished and effective. The real benefit here is the ability to customize with ease and their simple but solid designs. The third thing to consider is pricing. Mailchimp starts off with a free tier that's pretty generous, offering basic features for up to 500 subscribers, which is ideal for those just starting out. However, if you need more advanced features or higher limits, you'll need to jump to a paid plan. Constant Contact, in contrast, doesn't have a free forever tier, but they offer a 60-day free trial, which is longer than Mailchimp's free plan. For pricing, Constant Contact's plans are a bit more expensive, but they do come with more features at the entry level, which could justify the higher cost if you need those features. The fourth thing is email automation. Both platforms offer automation tools, but Mailchimp really excels here. With advanced automation features, you can set up intricate workflows for targeted campaigns, behavior-based emails, and more. If automation is your top priority, Mailchimp is the clear winner. Constant Contact also offers automation, but it's not quite as advanced and can feel a little more basic in comparison. If you're just looking for simple workflows, Constant Contact is fine, but Mailchimp gives you more power in this area. Next up, let's talk about customer support. Constant Contact really stands out here with its customer service. They provide 24/7 support by phone, chat, and email, which is a huge benefit if you need help quickly. Mailchimp, on the other hand, primarily offers email support and has limited phone support unless you're on a premium plan. If you value responsive support, Constant Contact has the edge. Lastly, let's discuss integrations. Mailchimp offers a vast array of integrations with other apps and platforms, making it an excellent choice if you're running a complex business with multiple tools. Constant Contact also integrates with plenty of apps, but Mailchimp's catalog is broader, especially when it comes to e-commerce platforms. To sum up, if you're just getting started with email marketing and you value simplicity and hands-on support, Constant Contact could be your best bet. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, customizability, and powerful automation tools, Mailchimp is the platform to go for. Before you decide, remember that you can try both Mailchimp and Constant Contact for free by clicking the first link in the description below for exclusive access to extended free trials and bonuses. Don't miss out! So, what do you think? Are you leaning towards Mailchimp or Constant Contact? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to check the description for those extended free trials.